What is up, guys? We are starting a new vlog today and I'm filming it on my phone. The next one is a waterfall. We'll see how that does with that. Camera, not doing so hot, but today's gonna be fun. We've got some friends over and we're gonna go to a place that I've never been. We're going to Utah State, but should be a good experience. But before we go watch college football, we got these guys sitting on teddy bears and they're playing Madden against an athlete that knows something about Madden. Elijah, Janelle, EB and Jay. We will link their channel in the description. You probably saw them from our BYU game video when we were like on the field. Is he any good?
Yeah, it's 14-0. He said that he was like, he's not very good at Madden and he's really, really good at NBA, and I'm just like, you're already super good at Madden. How good are you in NBA? Like,
well, I mean, I beat you like 28-0 the other day. Maybe you're just not very good at Madden.
Look and get the ball. Oh, he's gonna get it. What was that?
I've seen enough.
Let's go watch some real
We've got a
football.
champion over here.
Good game. Good game.
Lincoln, how about this? How about this? You do a short game shooting competition of 2 points.
Let's do it.
Against Elijah. Real basketball. Lincoln is going to have a little challenge. You saw it. He played against Kevin Durant and he scored on Kevin Durant in one try.
You can't jolt around the whole time.
Oh!
What's it going to be like with a NCAA basketball player? BYU basketball player.
I'm probably gonna lose.
He did this to Kevin too. He's like, I'm really bad at basketball, and he just came out and scored on him.
Come on, go.
Okay. Oh, no. I feel like he's just gonna score.
No, take it where you should go.
I've already seen your move where you go underneath. You gotta come out something else. You can do it. 2 shots. Oh, in the backyard.
In the arms of the angel,
I tried to give him a chance, you know, but had to show him who's boss.
All right, was that fun though, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we are heading out. We are going up to Logan, Utah. The school is called the Aggies, so they love cows and agriculture up there. And a lot of fans give them a hard time for that, but hey, cows are cool. I drink milk all the time.
We are farmers. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum.
All right, let's get out of here and go watch some football. All right, we're on our way. We've got 6 of us in the Tesla. My buddy Jeff, you remember him from the 23andMe video, and his son Michael's in the very back somewhere. Michael, back there. We've got Elijah and Janelle in the back. I'm sorry you guys have to sit in the middle seats. Hopefully it's cozy back there.
Super comfy.
The car is on autopilot, but we're about to get off. I better get off of this. We are at the stadium. No, we're not at the stadium. We made it to Logan, and we're gonna go to my favorite burger place. Predictions time, Lincoln.
BYU loses by 14.
Woo! He's not a fan. What is that?
I am a fan, but it's just like they're not good.
I'm editing that part
I
out.
like them, but
I'm
they're
editing
not
it out.
good.
I'm a fan, but it's just like they're not good.
I think every single game except for the Portland State game, I've said that they are going to lose, and they still are going to lose today.
Well, all right, whatever. All right, you guys.
BYU wins. Buzzer beater, field goal. Game over.
Michael?
Touchdown in the last few minutes by BYU at the last minutes of the game to win it.
Okay, I like it, Jeff.
BYU by 10.
All right, I'm gonna say, finally we get a breakout game. BYU by 3 touchdowns.
Yes!
All right, Lincoln's supposed to be spinning a wheel for free food. Okay, so this is the Morty's wheel. So what's the deal? Why are you doing this today?
It's our 3rd year anniversary. We've been open 3 years.
3rd year, okay.
Hey.
French fries. It's been about 20 minutes. The game starts in 25 minutes, and we still have no food. Morty's is a bit slow today.
I'm really excited though, because I really want food.
Don't you really want the football game though?
I really want food.
So have you been vegetarian your whole life, or is it just like a new lifestyle thing?
Yeah, so I was raised a vegetarian my whole life.
What have you eaten that's meat in your life?
One time I've had a chicken nugget, and that's all.
From where? From where?
I had it from Chick-fil-A.
Was it good?
No, it wasn't very good.
That's like one of my favorite foods. It goes like pizza, Chick-fil-A,
Jimmy John's.
Jimmy John's.
What's your favorite sauce from Chick-fil-A? Barbecue. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes. Oh, here we go. Our waiter has arrived. Finally, where have you been?
They said the shake's coming still.
Okay, cool. Oh, look at that. This is why we come here. This is the
I have a
Hawaiian
steak.
burger. Look at that sauce right there. Oh. Okay, I need to eat. We're in a hurry. We're making the walk right now down this hill to the stadium.
6 o'clock.
Kickoff right now. Seven to 7, we got a touchdown off an interception. Everybody's pretty happy in here. Down there, not so much. We got this, we got this. All right, buddy, how's it going? What's the score? What's going on?
It's a halftime and it's 24 to 21.
Are we gonna win this? What do you think? Still no.
No.
Still no.
No. We're on a third string quarterback.
One thing I will say that we do better than Utah State is the lines for the bathroom. Check this out. There's the bathroom right there. And you've got all those people. A little better at BYU, right?
Oh, way better.
It's better than they used to only have porta potties.
I know. How?
The line is ridiculous. They were super excited that because they used to only have porta potties at the stadium, and now they officially have bathrooms. We're 4 minutes into the third quarter, and just a little update for you. The line for the bathroom is going strong still. Check it out. Check out that line, everybody.
People have been going in the bushes.
That's right. There's bushes right there, and people have been going in those bushes. They're getting really desperate. You would too?
Oh, I'd go in the bushes.
I probably would. There's a line like that. I'm not gonna judge.
Tired.
Why are you so tired? This is an exciting game.
Yeah, I know.
Get amped.
It's so exciting. Are you excited?
Yes, this is fun. All right, what's the update, buddy?
Lost.
We lost?
The game's not over. But pretty much we lost. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much over. BYU got all their quarterbacks hurt. It was not pretty, but they played well for having like backup on backup on backup. Okay, game over. Not really, but it is for us. It was like 7 turnovers. BYU is on their like 4th and 5th quarterback. No good.
I don't know what you can do when you have 7 turnovers. You can't win a game with 7 turnovers. In a basketball game, you can't win a game with 7 turnovers. So.
All right, so if you guys don't know, Eli plays basketball on BYU, and they do vlogging, and they're getting into YouTube. So go subscribe their channel and let them know that you came from What's Inside.
Go subscribe.
Now we make the long drive home. It was worth it though. It's a cool experience. I've never been to a game there. At least it wasn't. Never mind. I was gonna say at least it wasn't embarrassing, but it actually kind of was.
I'm gonna sack him. Here we go.
I'm not doing a Hail Mary.
There's Lincoln, 7-foot tall quarterback lefty. Oh, what a catch!
Go,
Oh,
yeah.
Patriots.
One.